Well, hello, but I was in the whole universe, hope everything is fine, and I'm a Russian man who brings value to my own experience, and I'm a little bit of shy in this passage, because we are located right now and need to cross it, because this kind of claustrophobia of shyness, we can call it this, when you are in a position somewhere, and it is not super big amount of anti-density. I mean that density of people is so high, and need to find the place of anti-density when where not so big amount of people. And here's too the same position, because this the smoking room, and near the smoking places there are a lot of people who are maybe can say that Jesus Christ, why are you recording video in English language? And we'll cross, I think that we'll go here. And I'm going from my university. Today I was studying the hermeneutics. Hermeneutics is an art of interpretation. You maybe know about it. If you don't know, then right now you know. And it is the way how we understand different texts and also monuments of the artistic creatures, I mean the artistic creations and creatures too, because we can dive into some statues maybe, or maybe it will be the canvases of different things, and architecture it is the same. And hermeneutics, it is what we learn, and we speak about like Heidegger's theories. It is philosophical actually direction. Firstly it was started as a philosophical direction, then it became philological in meaning of the language, and we learn about it. It is kind of talk about everything and nothing, we can say about it. It is all about humanitarian things too, humanitarian sciences, but I'm for a positive one, that everything describes everything, it is good. Then nothing. Nothing, it is like, okay, it is about nothing, then let's stop talking about anything, absolutely anything, yes? And need to focus more on, I think that need to be positive and speak about everything, and sometimes focus on some things. And during our lecture we were speaking about Renaissance, about also Charlotte Bronte, about Jane Eyre, and also Jane Austen, and also about some literature examples. And in Russian too, I mean that we have the historical statues, historical monuments, we can call it, about Shakespeare, about Homer Simpson, and something like from old times when you remember some of the Iliad things and all this nature stuff. And it was interesting, we were talking about it, and lecture was good, especially in the time when she was talking about stories and something like this, because by the analysis, I'm super nice at analysis, and I can kind of even sometimes predict what will she say. But in the meaning of history and some stories, I'm not fully inside of the stories. I can predict like, oh, there will be character, there will be places where it can happen, but they are original, new sounds for my ears, and it means good. And it was amazing. And inside of our class there were 6-7 people. There were Venera, it is the name of the one girl, we can translate it Venus. Also there were Nastya, also there were, I want to say names, also Tanya, and also there were Ksenia and others, so we can say, and Aygun, and that's all, I think so. Yes, that's all, and I, and me, and we were listening, and it is kind of 6. Okay, let's count again. Aygun, Nastya, Ksenia, Tanya, 4, 5, that's all, really. 5, Nastya, Aygun, I, also Tanya, Ksenia, 5, really? No, 6 with me. With me it is 6. 2, 1, 4. Ah, and Venera. 6. I think so. Kind of. Okay. I think that it was 6. Okay, again. Nastya, Venera, Aygun, Tanya, and Ksenia. 6. And plus one more, it is our teacher who was. It is 7. 7 people at all. And it is kind of data. Why did I kind of count them? Because it is data that we can think about. It is names, and they have also last names. And if we will create a table sheet, for example, and sheet of table, then it will be the kind of information: first name, last name, index, and also there will be appeared number of people, total number, and everybody has a number. It means that how to calculate all the things need to have like a number of a row. We have a row, and for each person we have a row, and how many number of a row of rows, it means how many is the total sum. We also can do this in a mini of columns. Then it will be the number of columns will mean the sum of columns will be the total result. Nice. When I do something like this logical things, my mind is working, my brain is working really. Also, we were talking about Anna Karenina, by the way. It is it is Leo Tolstoy, and also about Dostoevsky, about the meanings. It is kind of really super interpretation. Everything could my answer, and some scientists say about it, and philologists and philosophical people, they can say, and I say that everything is super subjective and could be interpreted anyway, really superly anyway. Any fact, absolutely any fact, any factory. And any factory, it means that the factory that produces any's and facts to any facts. Okay, nice new words. And that's all. And today also I was learning more about the languages, about TensorFlow library in Python, also about the NumPy, SciPy, scikit-learn, also about Matplotlib, Seaborn and others, also about C++, C#, F#, and other programming languages, high-leveled and low-leveled, and also about assemblers and etc. And it was good. So I'm near the place where I will go. I will go to the store because I didn't eat, and tomorrow will be my mom's birthday. I will go next to the house of books, and I want to buy one book. Maybe if I will find collection edition of Charlotte Bronte Jane Eyre, then I will buy it because my mom likes it. And it is kind of, today I kind of refreshed it. Wow, yes, on our lecture. And also tomorrow we'll have the celebration, we'll have party, and my mom will be 50 tomorrow. It is good, and she feels young, and I believe she feels young, and I think that she's young, and you are young guys too. If you are even maybe 75 years old, you are young. You are a baby. You have all the life in front of you. I mean that you will live till 125 at least, if you will care about your body. I mean that scientifically our body lives 125 years. It is the effect of our bodies, but actually the record was 122 and some months and days. But you know that you can be a new recordsman or woman, and everything will be fine. So thank you a lot for watching Improve Soul Daily. By the way, it is the specific 7 flags of Moscow 874 ages 874 ages birthday, two birthdays. in one time. So thank you a lot for watching. See you next time. Improve Student. Bye bye.